will continue our chapter 11, that is light, shadows and reflections. We have read what is light, what is shadows. So today we are going to read activity 4. Okay? So what is given in activity 4 we have to read, and in activity 4 we have to place a chair in a school ground on a sunny day. Sunny day आपको पता है? जब सन रहता है दोपहर के टाइम, ठीक है. सनी डे पे आपको क्या, you have to place a chair in the school ground. What do you observe from the shadow of the chair? And you have to observe the shadow of the chair. And now you have to answer these questions. Does the shadow give an accurate picture of the shape of the chair? ठीक है. अगर shadow जो होता है, shadow, you know that shadow gives us information about the shape of the object. ठीक है, आपने पढ़ा है. शैडो से हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की शेप का पता चलता है. सो द क्वेश्चन इज दैट डज द शैडो गिव एन एक्यूरेट पिक्चर ऑफ द शेप ऑफ द चेयर. अब आपको जो चेयर की जो पिक्चर है उसमें एग्जैक्ट एक्यूरेट पिक्चर मिलेगी? नो. ठीक है. इफ द चेयर इज टर्न्ड अराउंड अ लिटिल, अगर चेयर को हल्का सा टर्न कर दे, तो हाउ डज द शेप ऑफ द शैडो चेंज? सो यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व हाउ द शेप ऑफ द चेयर चेंजेस. ठीक है. तो शैडो में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. टेक अ नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, यू हैव टू टेक अ थिन नोटबुक एंड लुक एट इट्स शैडो. ठीक है. ऑब्जर्व इट्स शैडो. देन टेक अ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स एंड लुक एट इट्स शैडो. यू हैव टू टेक अ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक अ चेयर एंड लुक एट इट्स शैडो. सेकंड यू हैव टू टेक अ थिन नोटबुक एंड ऑब्जर्व इट्स शैडोज. ठीक है. एंड थर्ड वन, यू हैव टू टेक अ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स and you have to look at its shadow. Do the two shadows seem to have a similar shape?
Yes,
means shadow of a thin notebook and shadow of the rectangular box is same.
No,
is it same?
No, ma'am.
The question is, do the two shadows seem to have a similar shape? means अगर आप rectangular box का shadow देख रहे हो और second आपका क्या है, thin notebook. If you are observing these two shadows, so does the shadows of these two are same?
No, ma'am.
No, they are different. ठीक है, because shapes are different. ठीक है. So take flowers now. Next activity, take flowers or other objects of different colors and look at their shadows. You have to take flowers of different colors. ठीक है. Different color means you have to take a red rose, yellow rose, pink rose, anything. It depends on your choice. So look at their shadows and you have to observe their shadows. A red rose and yellow rose, for instance. If you are choosing a red rose and yellow rose, ठीक है. So do the shadows look different in color?
No, ma'am.
When the colors of the objects are different, means when we are taking two different roses, a red rose and yellow rose, do the shadows look similar?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because shadow is always made in darkest black color.
Yes. Shadows of these two flowers are similar, but we don't see the color of the flower in shadows. ठीक है. हमें shadows में color नहीं दिखेगा flowers के. We don't identify whether it is a red flower, whether it is a yellow flower.
This is a flower.
Shadow is in black color and all colors dark color is black.
Yes. Okay. So next activity, what we have to do? Take a long book. Take a long book and look at its shadow on the ground. Okay. Next activity, you have to take a long box, not book. You have to take a long box and look at its shadow on the ground. ठीक है. आपको एक long box लेना है. Long box है बड़ा box. And you have to observe the shadow on the ground. When you move the box around, you may see that the size of the shadows changes. When we are moving the boxes here and there, मतलब कहीं पे भी आप रख दो उसको, box को movement कर move हो, तो you see that size of the shadows changes. अगर box को इधर से move कर रहे हो, slightly उसको थोड़ा सा और turn कर रहे हो, थोड़ा सा और turn कर रहे हो, तो you see that, you observe that the size of the shadows changes. The size of the shadow का वो बदलता जाएगा. ठीक है. Suppose if we are taking a chair, ये table, long table, we have to observe the shadow of this table. So if we are rotating this, shadows also, the size of the shadows also changes. ठीक है. When you move, so when is the shadow of the box the shortest? When the long side of the box is pointed toward the sun, or when the short side is pointed toward the sun. अब आपको observe, you have to observe this that when is the shadow of the box the shortest, कब आपके बॉक्स का shadow जगह और छोटा आएगा, and when the shadow of the box is longest, कब आपकी size जो कि आपको बड़ी दिखेगी, because you see that when we rotating any object, ठीक है, then we see that there is a changes in the size of the shadows, ठीक है, shadows के size में changes हो रहा है, so you have to observe that when is the shadow of the box shortest and when is the shadow of the box is longest. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is given in activity 4? First you have to take a chair, okay, and observe the shadow of the chair. Is there any changes? And then you have to turn the chair around a little. You have to turn the chair and you have to observe the shape of the shadow. Is there any changes in the shape of the shadow? You have to observe. Second one, you have to take a thin notebook and you have to and a rectangular box. Okay. So does the shape of these two objects are similar? You have to observe. Next thing, you have to take two different color flowers. Okay, a red and yellow one. So both the flower shows same shadow, but we don't identify the color of the flowers by observing a shadow. ठीक है, shadow देख के हम उसके color नहीं बता सकते. Next thing, you have to take a long box and observe a shadow on the ground. When we are moving the box here and there, when we are moving the box slightly, so we have to observe when the shadow of the box is shortest and when is the shadow of the box is longest. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us use this long box to prepare a simple camera. Now you have, all of you, it's compulsory for you that you have to make a pinhole camera. It's very interesting. Okay, you have to make pinhole camera. So how do you make? I will tell you. A pinhole camera.
Ma'am, what we in ma'am pinhole camera में सब डेटा दिख जाता है.
Yes, beta. Pinhole camera. And read loudly.
11.3 of pinhole camera. You might think that we need a lot of stuff to make a camera. Not really. If we just wish to make a simple pinhole camera.
Activity 5.
Activity 5. Take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap. In between them, cut open one side of each box.
Objects like a tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the objects you wish to look at through the pinhole camera are in bright sunshine. Move the smaller box forward or backward when you get a picture on the tracing paper pasted at the other end. Are these pinhole images different from the shadows? Look through your pinhole camera at vehicles and people moving on the road in bright sunlight.
Okay,
Do
wait,
the
beta.
pictures-
Danish, wait. Next, Yash Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Ma'am, I am doing the class now, so ma'am, where I have
Do
to
the
read.
picture seen in the camera.
Okay, ma'am. Do the picture seen in the camera. Show the colors of the object on the other side. Are the images erect or
Erect.
upside down? Erect or upside down? Surprise, surprise. Let us now image the sun with our pinhole camera. We need a slightly different setup for this. We just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pinhole in the middle. Hold the sheet up in the sun with let its shadow fall on a clear area. Do you see a small circular image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard sheet? Look at these pinhole images of the sunwell and Alcipas
Beta,
is
eclipse.
visible.
Eclipse.
eclipse is visible from your location.
Your location. Okay.
Your location.
Shivam, start reading.
Adjust your pinhole and screen to get a clear image. Before the eclipse it is to occur, look at the look at the image as the eclipse begins. You will notice a part of the image of the sun gradually becoming darker and eclipse starts. As the eclipse starts. Never ever look directly at the sun. That could be extremely harmful for the eyes. There is an interesting pinhole camera in nature. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with a large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it.
Sit down.
Figure 11.6.
Sit down. Shivanshu Kumar, start reading. शिवांशु नहीं आ रहा है.
These circular images are in the fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act as a pinholes. These gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular images of the sun. Try to locate images of the sun when the eclipse occurs next. That could be so much fun. Gujo has this thought. We saw upside down images of people on the road with our pinhole camera. What about the images of the sun? Did we notice them to the upside down or anything like that? Pehli
Sit
has
down. Sit. Shikha, start reading from this line.
So here is another thought. Surely all these labels that we are seeing, formation, shadows and pinhole images are possible only if light moves. Instead, activity 6. Let us use a piece of white pipe or a long rubber tube. Light a candle and fix it on a table at the end of the room. Now standing in the other end of the room, look at the candle through the pipe.
Sit down. Now come to activity 5. A pinhole camera. You might think that we need a lot of stuff to make a camera. Means आपको कैमरा बनाने में बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आती हैं. You know it very well. Not really. If we just wish to make a simple pinhole camera, it's easy to make a simple pinhole camera. ठीक है? That's why we are doing this activity 5. So you have to perform this activity. You have to make a simple pinhole camera at your home. ठीक है? It's your science activity. So you have to take 2 boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into the another with no gap in between them. Now come to the figure 11.5. You see there are 2 cardboard. One is larger in size and other one is smaller in size. Okay? And you see that there is a small dot, means a small hole present in larger cardboard. Larger cardboard देखोगे एक साइड इसकी क्या है, आपने क्या किया है, एक होल रख दिया है. ठीक है? और ये जो फ्रंट पार्ट है, देखो ये फ्रंट पार्ट क्या है, इसका ओपन है. ये वाला जो स्क्वायर ये पार्ट जो है ये आपका ओपन पार्ट है. ठीक है? बॉक्स का मतलब एक साइड आपको इसका एक पार्ट जो होता है वो ओपन रखना है. एंड यू हैव टू मेक अ स्मॉल होल इन दिस लार्ज कार्डबोर्ड शीट. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट कार्डबोर्ड, कम टू दिस कार्डबोर्ड, स्मॉलर साइज कार्डबोर्ड. तो यू हैव टू मेक अ स्क्वायर शेप का होल बनाना है. एंड यू हैव टू पेस्ट अ ट्रेसिंग पेपर ऑन इट. ट्रेसिंग पेपर जो धुंधला मतलब आते हैं, आप बटर पेपर देखोगे. ठीक है? You have to paste a tracing paper on it. It is clear? Is it clear? ठीक है? You have to make a 2 cardboard. 2 आपको कार्डबोर्ड लेने हैं एंड वन में एक में आपको छोटे से होल, स्मॉल होल बनाने हैं. अदर वन यू हैव टू मेक अ स्क्वायर शेप होल एंड यू हैव टू पेस्ट अ ट्रेसिंग पेपर ऑन इट. केवल इसी पे ट्रेसिंग पेपर लगाने हैं. ठीक है? स्मॉल वाले पे you have to paste the tracing paper on it. ठीक here you have to make a small hole only.
तहां काम न लगेगा वाक्यासी
ठीक है.
तहां काम लगे न
Next, you are making two cardboard sheets. One is larger in size, other one is smaller in size. ठीक है. You have to make a small hole in larger one and small square hole in smaller one. ठीक है.
Those who don't have tracing
so
paper,
next-
so what? Which type of paper they
Butter
can
paper.
use?
If you have butter paper, you can use tracing paper. आपको मिल जाएगा बेटा. You can. Next thing what you have to do, you have to put this smaller size box into in this larger box. ठीक है. आपको fit करना है. उसमें space नहीं होगा. It is clearly written that take two boxes of cardboard so that one can slide into the another. एक जो हो दूसरे के अंदर slide कर सके. ठीक है. With no gap in between them. With no gap in between them. और इनमें कोई gap नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. So cut open on one side of each box. और दूसरी चीज क्या देखनी है? You have to cut. You have to leave one side open. ठीक है. In both the cardboard. Sit down. You go. Next thing, in a smaller box, you have to make a cut out from the middle of a square with a side about 5 to 6 centimeter. Smaller box में आपको एक square cut करना है. Size कितनी होनी चाहिए? 5 to 6 centimeter square की. ठीक है. So cover this open square box in the box with a tracing paper. Translucent screen बनानी है. Translucent screen means
Yes, ma'am.
object which we can see clear, which we can see but
See,
not
but not
clearly.
clearly. Ma'am, partially.
Partially visible. So you have to paste tracing paper on this square hole. ठीक है. To make it translucent screen. So slide the smaller box inside the larger one with the hole. अब आपने बड़े box में hole बनाया है. You have to put this smaller box into the larger one. आपको उस छोटे वाले को बड़े में डालना है. ठीक है. And we have to check that there is no space between these two cardboard. कोई space नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now your pinhole camera is ready for use. अब आपका pinhole camera एकदम तैयार है. Holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of. ठीक है. If you are using this pinhole camera to see any object, ठीक है. So what you have to do, you have to take a black color cloth, ठीक है, and put it on your head and cover the pinhole. ठीक है. आप यहाँ से अगर देख रहे हैं, if you are looking at this side, अगर यहाँ खड़े होकर आप देख रहे हो तो आप अपने सर को और इस कैमरे का इतना पार्ट, ठीक है, इतना पार्ट आप कवर कर लोगे ब्लैक कलर के कपड़े से. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. ओके. So you should use a piece of black cloth to cover your head and pinhole camera. ये लिखा है, it is clearly written. Now try to look at some distant object like a tree. Now you have to look at some distant object like tree. You can see a car which is moving on the road. ठीक है. You can see a bicycle moving on the कोई भी चीज आपको जो दूर की चीज हो, you have to look at some distance object by using your pinhole camera. ठीक है. Make sure that the object you wish to look at through your pinhole camera are in bright sunshine. और ये आपको कब का देखना है? जब sunny day हो. ठीक है. bright sunshine हो, धूप रहे तब देखना है. Move the smaller box forward or backward till you get a picture on the tracing paper pasted at the other end. You have to move this smaller box. अब देखो, जब आप यहाँ पे खड़े होके you are covering your head and this pinhole camera with a black cloth and you are observing, you are looking at the tree. ठीक है. So distance object कोई भी आप ट्री जैसे देख रहे हो, so you have to move this smaller one, जो अंदर के जो पार्ट है, ठीक है, ये वाला जो पार्ट है स्मॉलर पार्ट, इसे क्या करिए? You have to move this forward and backward direction. ठीक है. दिस स्मॉलर कार्डबोर्ड का फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करोगे, तब तक करोगे until you get the image of the object. अगर जब तक आपको ऑब्जेक्ट दिख नहीं जाता उस पे पिनहोल कैमरा के ट्रेसिंग पेपर पे, ठीक है, पीछे साइड आप खड़े हो, जब तक आपको दिख नहीं जाता, until you move this smaller one in forward and backward direction. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's a very interesting topic. So everyone make pinhole camera and
Ma'am, today you give this homework to make
yes.
camera.
Okay. So are these pinhole images different from their shadow? You have to observe these. Okay. You have to make pinhole camera and you have to answer these questions in your next class. I will ask questions to you. ठीक है. Are these pinhole images different from their shadows? ठीक है. Look through the pinhole camera at vehicles and people moving on road in bright sunlight. You have to observe different things. ठीक है. In bright sunlight अलग अलग चीजों को आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है, whether it is a car, bicycle, tree, anything else. ठीक है. So do the picture seen in the camera show the color of the object on the other side? You have to answer these questions. कि आप जो pictures आपको दिख रही हैं pinhole camera में, are they showing colors of an object? ठीक है. उसका कलर भी आपको दिखता है. Means if tree is green in color, ठीक है, आपको green leaves और नीचे का ट्रंक brown होता है. ठीक है. If you are seeing or if you are observing tree, so are you able to see the colors of the object in pinhole camera? कैमरे में आपको उसके कलर भी दिख रहे हैं, नॉर्मल ब्लैक पैचेस भी दिख रहे हैं. You have to answer.
Ma'am, if we are make a pinhole camera, there was many.
All the questions. ठीक है. आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर खुद मिल जाएंगे. But if I am giving the answer that yes, it's possible to see the colors of an object, yet it's possible to get the image of the object, so you don't understand like this. ठीक है. First you make pinhole camera at your home and then observe these, then observe distance object. ठीक है. Observe the color, object is image. ठीक है. Whether it is erect means क्या होता है, straight. ठीक है. और upside down मतलब उल्टा. ठीक है. आपको उल्टा इमेज दिखे, मतलब हम ऐसे सीधा स्ट्रेट खड़े हैं, वी आर स्टैंडिंग स्ट्रेट, सो हमें ऑब्जेक्ट जब हम पिनहोल कैमरा में देखेंगे तो हमें उल्टा दिखेंगे, मतलब जस्ट अपोजिट, पैर ऊपर से नीचे. ठीक है. सो you have to observe, you have to answer these questions when you will make pinhole camera. So I will ask questions on this topic. ठीक है. When I will take your next class.
Ma'am, on 25.
On 25, yes. ठीक है. So what you have to observe? You have to observe the picture which is seen in the camera. You have to observe the color of the object, and you have to answer these questions that are they pinhole images different from their shadows? ठीक है. shadows से वो different होते हैं. Are the images erect or upside down? Means erect बताया, straight. ठीक है. straight हो, और upside down means just opposite, उल्टा. ठीक है. जैसे ट्री आप देख रहे हो, लीव्स ब्रांचेस ऊपर है, ट्रंक नीचे है. इफ यू आर यूजिंग पिनहोल कैमरा, अगर आपको इमेज उल्टा दिखता है मींस लीव्स नीचे और ट्रंक ऊपर, तो यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दिस. या तो आपको सीधा दिखेगा, मतलब सीधा जैसे उसका इमेज है, जैसा आपका ट्री है वैसा ही सेम दिखेगा, तो वो इरेक्ट कहलाएगा, मतलब स्ट्रेट. और वही अपसाइड डाउन मतलब उल्टा रहेगा, तो वो आपको आंसर करिए. यू हैव टू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. एंड इफ यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग सन, ठीक है, अब आपको ये और सन के साथ भी करना, लाइक द इमेज ऑफ द सन विद आवर पिनहोल कैमरा. So what we had to do, we need a slightly different setup for this. थोड़ा सा इससे different setup होगा सन का, अगर हमें इमेज देखना है. So what you have to do, we just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pinhole in the middle. ठीक है. आपको एक बड़ा सा कार्डबोर्ड शीट चाहिए. ठीक है. और छोटा सा पिनहोल आपके मिडल में होना चाहिए उसमें. ठीक है. कार्डबोर्ड ऐसे ले लो और छोटा सा में पिनहोल कर लो, होल बना दो. Do you see small circular image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard sheet? अब आपको क्या देखना है, you have to, ये भी आप कर सकते हो. If you are able to see the circular image of the sun in the middle of the cardboard, so it's good. If you don't see, then answer it. आप ये करके देखना.
मैम बट कुछ पिनहोल कैमरा में मैम एरेक्ट दिखता है और कुछ पिनहोल कैमरा में अप्स एंड डाउन दिखता है.
No.
मैम उसमें तो आपने ऐसे ही कहा.
नहीं, मैंने कहा कि you have to observe and you have to answer whether the image is erect or upside down. आपको खुद बताना है कि मैम इसमें इरेक्ट आया कि या अपसाइड डाउन आ रहा है इमेज.
मैम बट एक चीज आना चाहिए ना, इरेक्ट होगा तो इरेक्ट ही होगा और अपसाइड डाउन होगा तो.
यस, ओनली वन थिंग इज पॉसिबल, वेदर इट इज इरेक्ट और अपसाइड डाउन, दोनों में से कोई एक ही चीज होगा. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट एट योर होम एंड ऑब्जर्व एंड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन व्हेन आई विल टेक योर क्लास. ठीक है. एक्लिप्स मीन्स ग्रहण, आप लोग ने सुना होगा.
Yes,
ठीक है. सोलर एक्लिप्स. So you can use pinhole to see the solar eclipse. आप solar eclipse directly, you are not able to see the sun directly at the time of solar eclipse. ठीक है. Here it is clearly written, never ever look directly at the sun. जब भी एक्लिप्स लगता है, जब भी ग्रहण लगता है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी डायरेक्टली एट द सन. आप नहीं देख सकते. क्यों नहीं देख सकते? बिकॉज इट हार्म्स अस, इट हार्म्स आवर आईज. ठीक है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू लुक डायरेक्टली एट द सन. ठीक है, हम देख तो सकते हैं बेटा, वी आर एबल टू सी बट वी डोंट डेयर टू सी. हम हिम्मत नहीं करते देखने की बिकॉज इट हार्म्स आवर आईज. ठीक है, here in your book it is written that you can use pinhole camera to see the clear image before eclipse is to occur. ठीक है, but don't dare to see. ठीक है, it is harmful. तो इसमें ही कहा गया कि that you are able to see the image of the solar eclipse. ठीक है, but by using pinhole camera. ठीक है, so there is an interesting pinhole camera in nature. If you see this picture 11.6 पिक्चर में देखो, if you are able to see the image of sun under a tree.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये देखो जो छोटी व्हाइट कलर के स्पॉट मिल रहे हैं.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
image of the
sun की
sun.
rays है.
ठीक है, so the gaps between the leaves act as pinholes. अब जो लीव्स के बीच में गैप्स है वो किस तरह काम करे? पिन होल्स की तरह, छोटे-छोटे होल्स है जिससे आपकी सनलाइट क्या हो रही है? फॉल ग्राउंड पे पड़ रही है. So these gaps are all kinds of irregular shape. They are irregular shape. See, regularity नहीं है, shape में regular नहीं है. They are irregular in shape. ठीक है, we can see circular image of the sun. हम क्या देख सकते हैं? Image अगर नॉर्मल एक्चुअली देखें तो what is the shape of the sun? It is a circular shape. ठीक है, सन का शेप सर्कुलर है, बट इफ यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग इट्स इमेज.
Ma'am, if the eclipse eclipse will not be there, ma'am, in summers we will look at direct sun, we cannot look.
Yes, but don't look at the sun directly because on the time of solar eclipse, ठीक है, it will harm us. So your today's homework is you have to make pinhole camera and you have to answer all the question which is given in your book. ठीक है, it's your homework.